Hello everybody, welcome again to another vlog. It's sweaty. It's hot here. Very hot. So you guys, what's up you guys? This is Saturday and um I'm going to feed the chicken. Give them lunch. Good morning. And let's go ahead and come with me. So this is my chicken food. So I'm going to give my 5 boys, give them food because this seems like they want some foodie. Coming! I'm a coming here. There you go. There you go. Yeah, eat. And this one too. Hello. Oh, you're not eating your rice. Oh, why you're not eating your rice? Oh, here you go. Come on. And this one, the third boy. There you go. There you go. Yeah, eat. Oh, go ahead and eat. Come on. Eat. I don't want to eat. I'm looking. Oh. I guess I have to go back and get some more. Because not enough. So I have to get some more. There you go. Yeah, I'm coming. Kani mo niya akong big dude. He weighs 3.5 kilo, I think, almost 4. Yeah, big boy. Yes. What happened to your? Oh boy. Oh dear. Yeah. Come on. Have some foodie. Yeah. No, you eat. Mm. You go ahead. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. So I made that one for him. I don't know if this work fine. I was thinking to cut his crown, but I'm afraid. So yeah. Okay, there's big dude too. He's hungry. Alright, there we go. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, you eat.
There you go. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Gitukan na. Nahinay lang. Hinay-hinay kay matukan. Slowly. You're gonna choke. Never mind the ladies. They're just silly. Oh boy, hungry dude. Oh boy, hungry. That one big dude. Yeah, 3.5 kilos. He's the big dude. He's the dad of that white one over there. Also the almost 4 kilos of weight. So yeah, so Yeah, good boy. Hungry na? Hungry? Oh boy. Oh, you eat. So, I'm going to get some more food for the hens.
So for the hens, I'll just put it in here and
Ah! And we'll see how they're gonna eat that. Eat! Oh, where's the other one? Ah, maldita po di manghatag. Eh, dalo. Hmm. Di man lang mag-ano? Share. Naga lang po usapan. Greedy ning usa, oh. Di manghatag. Sumaon na sila, guys. That's my... It's supposed to be 6 hens. Or young hens. But one is not here yet. And these guys are afraid of this. She is maldita. And that one afraid of her. Na, it's up to you, chicken. Di man gid manghatag. Oh, natok ka na. Natagam. Natok ka na. Choking because doesn't share. So, it looks like the rooster is having fun with his feeder, isn't it? So that's it for now, guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.